How to buy the clever Galapagos Hunter token. So this token came under the symbol of Sol. Now before we start, this is not fragile advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you have under my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago and increased by 500% to 600% in less than 4 hours. Also, this token trending number 2 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click it to copy the token address and open a fund mine for that. As you can see, this is our wallet. Now click here on stop. Now make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token as instruction. As you can see, so if you don't find your token in your wallet, what you need to do is just switch the wallet to Bitkit. Now I will try the Bitkit for that. Now first of all, select this one as a network, click on this plus icon and paste token as in the search bar. So as you can see, now we will find our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. After that, go back to your wallet and search for your token that you just added called Sol. So after you find it, now click on it and here click on swap. Now switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy. For example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much receive. As you can see, after that, clicking on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this token you can buy it from your Bitkit wallet. So as you can see, this is how to buy Sol token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.